Hi friends, welcome to Pretty Simple Living. First of all, happy Shankranti to all of you. Today I am going to share capsicum chutney with you. This chutney goes well with idli, dosa, chapatti and even with rice. We need 3 different types of bell peppers. Here I took red, orange and green chillies, garlic cloves, coriander, tamarind and jeera. First take 1 spoon of oil in a pan. Add bell peppers. With the red bell pepper we'll get the sweetness taste. So finally the chutney is going to be like sweet, tangy and spicy. Stir it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 3 green chillies. Here I am adding chillies. Mix it well. It's very easy chutney. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes for the complete process. Before going to switch off the stove, just add green coriander leaves and jeera, that is cumin. Here I am adding green coriander leaves and cumin. Just give it a nice mix and switch off the stove. In a blender, I have added tamarind and garlic cloves. I transferred all the capsicum into blender jar. Now I have added salt according to taste and I grinded it. And for the tempering, I have added a little bit of oil, mustard seeds, urid dal, chana dal and cumin seeds. Let it splutter. And transfer this content into the chutney. Mix it properly. Now capsicum chutney is ready. You can serve this chutney with any types of breakfast items and even with white rice. Please try this recipe and send me your valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit a like button and please subscribe to my channel.